Hi, today we're going to go over how to upgrade your Hootboard license. First, navigate to your Hootboard URL. Then on the left-hand side, click on Licenses. This is the pricing menu. So you have interactive screen subscriptions, digital signage subscriptions. Then you also have a billing interval of monthly or annually. So to start, select whether you'd like the billing interval to be monthly or annually. Then go down to whichever subscription you'd like to add, whether it's interactive or digital. Either enter the number in the box here, or click the plus and minus arrow to adjust the number of subscriptions that you need. Then click Add. Over here it's going to add your subscriptions, so we're going to go to Checkout. And then we have two options. We can either enter in our credit card information here, along with the name and information, and then click here to pay. Or we can click Request Invoice if we would like to use a bank transfer, ACH, or a check. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.